Welcome to the MyMazda app. Now that you've registered, you'll find it easy to look up vehicle operation or service information without fiddling in the glove box. Simply touch Menu at the top of the home screen and go to My Mazda. You'll see a menu of helpful screens. Opening My Vehicle gets you quickly to vehicle information you might need, such as the VIN or current miles on the odometer. This is also where you can see the drivers for each vehicle and make any necessary changes. Open the Manage Drivers tab to add a new driver or delete a current one. Registering a preferred dealer for your account makes it easy to schedule service or get help if you have a problem. Choose Edit Dealer under My Preferred Dealer. Choose Nearby to use the map to search for your preferred dealer. You can also search by name, zip code, or city. When you have your selection, touch Set Preferred Dealer and follow the instructions. Touching Manuals and Guides gives you access to your vehicle's owner's manual and other reference material right on your smartphone. Just choose the individual manual you need and enjoy the convenience of scrolling through screens instead of digging through the glove box. The My Services menu offers access to the maintenance schedule for your vehicle and displays the service history you manually entered. You can also search for service specials and vouchers offered by your preferred dealer. Use Schedule Service to search for service appointments at your preferred dealer and schedule a time online. Recall Search gives you a quick way to check for any recalls that might have been issued for your vehicle. Simply enter the VIN of your Mazda and touch Search. Along with details on any outstanding recalls, Schedule Service makes it easy to get set up with your dealer. From your owner's manual to your next service appointment, MyMazda puts a variety of information at your fingertips, so you're free to focus on what you really enjoy: getting in your Mazda and driving.